Hi guys, you're welcome back to the part 2 of integration. So today we are going to look at integration of polynomial expression. Integration of polynomial expression. All right. Now, let's look at an example here. We have this, the integral of 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x plus 7 with respect to x. How do we integrate this? This is so simple. You can do it like this. You can say this thing here is the same thing as you integrate them one by one. 4x raised to power 3 dx plus integral of 5x raised to power 2 dx. All right, then minus integral of 2x dx. Then plus 7. All right, 7 dx. All right. So you integrate them one by one after the other. All right. So this is now 4. I don't know. I remember what I told you in my previous video. I told you about 4. Whenever you have a constant, you take it outside. So we have 4 integral of x3 dx. All right. Plus what of this one to 5? You bring it out. 5 integral of x squared dx minus. What about these 2? You say 2 integral of x dx plus integral of 7. So we have now look at this one. Now what do we have here? 7. All right. Now 7 is a constant. So when you bring it out, what's left here? 1. All right, because if you take 7 back in, 7 times 1, which is 7. So we say we have 1 here. All right. So now let's solve them. So what is the integral of x raised to power 3? The integral of x raised to power 3 is x raised to power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, all right? Then plus 5 into x, then 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 2 into x raised, now 1 is the power of x here, 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, then plus 7 into, what is, now this one, now, what do you see beside this? Can you see? You can't see x here, but there's x. Actually, there's x here, but that x is raised to power 0. X is raised to power 0 there. All right. Now, it's a trick in mathematics. X is raised to power 0, and you know in indices, if you remember, anything that is raised to power 0 is 1. Now, because we are integrating with respect to x, that's why we are assuming that x. We are using hex. We are using that variable hex because we are with respect to x, so that you will know the basics of these things. That's why I'm doing like this. So now x is here, but the x that is here is raised to power 0. So x raised to power 0 is 1. So that's why 1 times 1 is 1. You understand that? So this will be x raised to power 0 plus 1. All right, over 0 plus 1. All right. So now let's continue. So what do we have here? At the end of the day, this is equal to 4 into x raised to power 4 over 4 plus 5 into x raised to power 3 over 3 minus 2 x raised to power 2 over 2 plus 7. Now 0 plus 1, 1. So this is hex. Abi? Then 0 plus 1 is also 1, then over 1. Now you see now. So you can simplify it like this. This 4 will cancel out this 4. So this will be x raised to power 4 plus, we'll leave this one, 5 over 3 x3. Then minus 2 will cancel 2 here. So this will be x squared, then plus 7x. That is the integration of that. All right. Now, let's look at another example. Let's look at another example. Let's look at another example here. Let's apply this. All right. So the problem says that if I equals to the integral of 8x raised to power 3 minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 dx. All right. Determine the value of high when x equals to 3, given that at x equals to minus 2, at x equals to 2, sorry, not minus 2, just 2. At x equals to 2, comma, I equals to 26. Now, this is a problem. So let's solve it. All right. So they said I is this. So our I is the integral of this. All right. Now, looking at the previous example I solved. So we'll just solve this directly. So from now you know that the integral of this is you integrate this one by one. All right. So let's marry all of them together. So what is the integral of this? The integral of this would be what? 8x as this 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Please, if you don't really get this, please rewind back to my previous example. You get it. Then this is minus 3 into x raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 4x raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. The power of x here is 1. Then minus 5 into x raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. I hope I explained to you why x is here. X is raised to power 0. So we have this. So here, from here, we have our high will now be 8 into x raised to power 4 over 4 minus 3 into x raised to power 3 over 3. Then plus 4x raised to power 2 over 2 minus 5x raised to power 1 over 1. Now so this will be I equals to 8 in our code. So this will be 2. If we divide it by 4, 2x raised to power 4 minus 3 will cancel 3. So x raised to power 3 plus this 2, x raised to power 2, 4 divided by 2. So then minus 5x. All right, so this is I. Now, don't forget in the question that x is 2 when I is 26. Sorry, plus c, plus a constant c. Sorry, I forgot to put this there. When we're integrating, you put a constant c. All right. I hope I put it in my previous example. I want to see that. Sorry, my previous example plus c. All right, plus c. So that is that. So I just don't want you to get confused about that. So plus constant c. So now they say when at x equals to 2, I equals to 26. At x equals to 2, at x equals to 2, I equals to 26. So now let's verify that. So now I equals to 26. So we have 26 equals to, now they say at x equals to 2. So we substitute the value of 2. So I equals to 26, x equals to 2. So we substitute there. So substitute the value of 2 here. So this will be 2, it's about 4, minus 2, it's about 3, plus 2 into 2, 2 minus 5 into 2 plus c. All right. Please look at it very well. Look at it very closely. All right, so now, we have 26 equals to 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 16 times 2, 32, minus 2 raised to power 3 is 8, plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4 times 2, 8, minus 5 times 2, 10, plus c. So this will be 26 equals to, this will cancel out this guy. So 32 minus 10, that will be, 32 minus 10 will be 22 plus c. So if we collect like times here, c equals to 26 minus 22. So my c is equal to 4. Now, the reason I'm doing that is to know the value of this particular constant c. You understand? Because we don't know the original equation from where we integrated from. So now that's why we are doing all this. Now, don't forget, they said I should determine the value of I when x is 3. Now I've done this part. So I was asked to determine the value of I when x is 3. So don't forget, from our differential, our I is this. From what we integrated, our I is 2 raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 5x plus c. All right, so now I want to determine the value of I now. It will be easier for me because I know the value of c and I know the value of x. They said at x equals to 3. That's the question, x equals to 3. So I will have, so I equals to 2 into 3 raised to power 4 minus 3 raised to power 3 plus 2 into 3 raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 3 plus c. So I have here, I have equals to 3 raised to power 4 is 81, and 81 times 2 is 162 minus 3 raised to power 3 is 27 plus 3 raised to power 2 is 9. 9 times 2, 18 minus 15 plus c. So I have, so what do I, sorry, my c is 4. Sorry, I should put that there. C is 4. My c is 4. So minus 27. So 18 minus 15 is, you can just do it the way you like it, but I'll do it the way it's easier for me. So 18 minus 15 is 3. 3 plus 4, 7. This is plus minus 24 plus 7. So this will be 162. This will be 20. If you do use calculator, so that will be 142 at the end of the day. So I equals to 142. So thank you so much, guys. Please anticipate for my next video because it's going to be more mind-blowing than this. So thank you very much. Please watch and subscribe so that you can get more videos, and turn up your notification button. Thank you very much.